Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making...
Okay guys, I'm going to put together a chicken dinner. So here I have a head of cauliflower, I have 2 green bell peppers that I cut up into this size. I have some seasoning peppers. As you can see, all I did was half the seasoning peppers, so I really didn't cut them small. I also cut them some red onion, and I'm also going to add in some garlic as well. I just smashed the garlic, so I'm not really going to be chopping it up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these vegetables at the bottom of my roasting pan and then put my seasoned whole chicken. I bought a seasoned whole chicken, so I'm going to be adding that on top to roast. So I'm just going to season up my veggies here. So I'm going to be adding some olive oil to it. Toss it with some olive oil. I'm going to be using some of Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend. This does not have any salt in it, so I will be adding some pink salt. I'm going to add a teaspoon of pink salt. Alright, let's toss everything together, and then we're going to put it at the bottom of our roasting pan. I think I will add a little more salt. This is a lot of veggies here. Right, I'll just take my hand and put a pinch more. Alright, so we're going to put this at the bottom of our roasting pan. So this is a quick chicken dinner. Can come together by roasting everything together. Okay, so this is my roasting pan. I don't have much space at the bottom that will lift the veggies off the chicken itself. So I will just literally have to lay the chicken on top the veggies. I have my oven preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit right now. So the veggies sort of create a bed for the chicken. So let me open up my chicken here. I bought this already seasoned chicken here. Okay, so I'm going to place my seasoned chicken on top of the veggies here, and I'm going to put it in the oven to roast for about an hour or so. Okay guys, so I just took my chicken out of the oven. I had it roasting for about an hour and 20 minutes. And what I'm going to do now is just brush the outside of the chicken with some ghee, just to help to add some extra flavor to the meat. So there you have it, folks. A nice, quick chicken dinner with roasted chicken and roasted veggies that you can put together for dinner.